The Saga of Flight by Shahabuddin Suhrawardi. A group of hunters went into the field, set up scarecrows, laid traps and baits, and hid themselves in the haystacks. I was flying with a flock of birds in the vast sky of the universe. Suddenly, we became attracted to a blue globe. We flew closer to it. We looked down and noticed a pleasant and appealing place below. When the hunters saw us flying overhead, they began making attractive calls to take us in. Since we had no reason to be suspicious of what we saw, no shadow of doubt kept us away from the field. We headed down, and as soon as we landed, we were caught in the trap. Our necks were put into loops of net, and our feet were wrapped in the bonds of snare. We tried to get out of that condition, but the more we struggled to move, the tighter the bonds became. As time went by, we began to feel that our lives were coming to an end. Our only choice was surrendering to the state of living in pain and agony. Gradually, each one of us became so involved with our own suffering that we did not care about what happens to the others. We were spending all our times focusing on finding ways to save ourselves. Eventually, we grew accustomed to our situations and forgot about our previous conditions. We ceased to struggle against our restraints and resigned ourselves into the tight parameters of the cage.